Hello, good morning. This video is for explaining how to use ColorLab in this particular case or in this particular scenario with this Baileys color. The Baileys color that you have to print is 29.86, 5.62, 25.44. Okay, no, 59, no, 29. Okay, just consider I'm with commas, you will be with points, because I'm in Spain and in my operating system this is commas, but in your system this will be points. Then I select the profile. You have two profiles, one is the model white, the other one is the Chemi. And let's start, for example, with the Chemi. Here you have the value that you will get with absolute colorimetric in this Chemi, and as you see, this number, it's mix of all of inks. This is a particular scenario because if you select all the inks and say I want to make combinations, and you click in this button, that is what you should do, click in optimize, you will get this message that this is making optimization in more than 3 inks, and it will take a lot of time. It can take hours of calculation. So I will do not calculate, I will do it by hand. And for doing this by hand, you have to look at the LAB that you are getting, that is 30.2324, and the LAB that you want to get, that is 29.86, 5.62, 25.44. So basically, as you see, you have to increase A and you have to decrease B. And for knowing how can you increase A and B, and regarding L, you are more or less okay. You have to consider how are your inks, and these are your inks. This is B axis and this is A axis. This is A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative. So if you have to increase B, you have to increase yellow, and if you have to decrease B, you have to decrease yellow. Or if you increase magenta, you are increasing A. Or if you increase cyan, you are decreasing A and decreasing B. If you are increasing orange, you are increasing A and increasing B. So basically you have to have this axis clear in mind. Also violet, if you increase violet, you decrease B and decrease A. And then looking at these numbers, you have to play manually with these values here, but these values here are fixed until you click in this free button. When you click in this free button, you are able to start playing. And for example, let's try to decrease A. If I have to decrease A, I have to go increase A, I have to go from 3 to 5. For increasing A, I have to add magenta. So I have initial value of 50 of magenta. I'm going to try 51. Okay, a little bit more, 52, a little bit more, 53. And you see that these numbers here, the delta A is decreasing. 54. Okay, better. 55, better. So if you see now I'm in B5 and I have to arrive to this B. Okay, let's try to adjust a little bit B. I'm in 23 and I need to arrive to 25. If I have to increase B from 23 to 25, I have to increase yellow. I'm in 87. I have to increase yellow because yellow increasing yellow, I increasing A. I will reduce a little bit also B, but okay, let's see. I'm in 87. I will go 89, a little, oh, better, 90. 91, 92, great, 93. Okay, I see that I'm not winning anymore. And what about the rest of the inks? I can just try to fix it. For example, this is 55, but this is, in this case, it's decreasing, but I'm in 526. So maybe if I just go with this with a little bit more, instead of 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, no 50. Okay, 68 has decreased. And black, I'm in 30, I need to arrive to 29, so I have to reduce a little bit of black, but I'm going to reduce a little bit this ink, for example, to 13. Okay, and black, let's see, for example, 65, 66, 67. Okay, I mean in a good value. So right now, if you realize this number here, it's going to create this color here, and it's great. So this is a really a good delta. You could even build an atlas over this value here if the ICC has changed a little bit. And for arriving to these numbers, I have just looked at A and B, and I have had this diagram clear on mind. Okay, I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to do it for model white. So I will go for model white, and I will click this again, reset. So this will be the values that I will get for model white directly, and I'm going to start going in 3. Okay, I'm in 4, I have to arrive to 5, and I'm in 23, and I have to arrive to 25. So I will have to increase yellow because the B. So 86, 87, 89, 90, 91. Okay, let's stop it because sorry, this is 5. I need to increase 4 to 5. So for increasing A, I will increase magenta. 42, 43, 45, 46. Okay, and okay, let's put this in round. So I will have this round, and this now I'm in 5, 5, 25, 24. So I have to increase a little bit A and B simultaneously. So maybe because I have to increase both, maybe orange it's a good way for increasing both. So I will go 82. Okay, it's going better. 83, 84. Okay, 89, 45. Oh, that's great. And now I'm a little bit over in L, so I can decrease a little bit of black, or decrease or increase a little bit this, for example 25, 26. Okay, 0.37. I'm almost there. So as you see, you have just to change a little bit the numbers, looking at this delta A, and if you increase or decrease, you will see that these numbers will be increased or decreased, and you have to look at this. This is the value that you are getting, and this is your target, and you have to have clear in mind this axis. Then it's not so difficult to understand. Once you have it, you save the replacement and save it with a given name, and that's all. Thank you.